If you've seen Cata-Kor NAD plus gaining attention in 2025 as a supplement designed to support daily energy, focus, and healthy aging, you might be wondering whether it's truly one of the better NAD boosters on the market or just another wellness trend with a premium price tag. NAD plus supplements are popular because NAD levels naturally decline with age, and many people take boosters to support cellular energy and overall vitality. Cata-Kor positions its formula as a clean, bioavailable option meant to complement a healthy lifestyle rather than replace medical treatments. On the positive side, the ingredient profile appears transparent, the capsules are easy to take, and many users report feeling slightly more alert or steady throughout the day, effects commonly associated with NAD precursors. But expectations must remain realistic. NAD plus supplements do not deliver sudden surges of energy, and results vary depending on sleep, diet, and lifestyle. Cata-Kor is not a medical therapy, and people hoping for dramatic cognitive enhancement may be disappointed. Compared with other NAD boosters, it performs similarly but at a price that may feel high for casual users. My final verdict: Cata-Kor NAD Plus is not a scam, but it's best viewed as a gentle wellness supplement, not a powerful performance enhancer. If you want honest, science-minded reviews without the hype, make sure to subscribe.